Lindsay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make quick and easy custard tarts, great for Eid celebrations. Our ingredients for today are puff pastry sheets, cinnamon, creme fraiche, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg, and some zest of an orange. We're going to roll out our pastry, dust it with cinnamon, roll it up like a cinnamon roll, slice it, and we'll put it in our baking tray. Step 1, we are going to set our oven to 200 degrees Celsius, then dust our counter with some cinnamon, roll out our pastry and pop some more cinnamon on top. And press them down like so, and then these will go into our baking tray and we'll bake them for 200 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes, and then we'll make our custard mixture. To make our custard is really simple. We're going to use half a tub of creme fraiche, so it's 125 grams, a good dose of vanilla, 1 egg, some orange rind, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Just mix it all up. After 8 minutes, your casings will look something like this. We are then going to scoop our egg mixture into the casings and bake for a further 8 minutes. Allow it to cool, dust with cinnamon, and serve.